What's up, everybody? It's Paper Drew back with another video. Quick pickup of the, as you can see here, it says orange large gray large t-shirt. This is from the Icy Rabbit drop from for Halloween. Unfortunately, I did not get that until today. Today is November 1st and it's the day after Halloween, but it's whatever. It is what it is. Let's check it out. Gonna open it. Appreciate everybody who has gone ahead and given me feedback on the last video I did regarding Icy Rabbit, and left comments and all that good stuff and messages and whatnot. So big shout out to them. I still did get him, and go from there. Let's see. I'm gonna have to open this from the side because let's see. If you hear a chicken in the background, that's my neighbors. I live in a pretty rural area, suburban area. So yeah, I mean, it's Florida, so it is, it is what it is. So let's see here. Also, did anybody get anything from the Supreme drop? There's also a plane above me, so apologize for that if you do hear a lot of that in the background. Did anybody get that Stormy tee? That Stormy tee was crazy. I was on there as it dropped, and it sold out in like 2 seconds. It was really fucking ridiculous. So, that's why, man, I'm not trying to pay for no bots, and I'm not trying to pay nobody to bot for me. So, that's why I really kind of don't mess with Supreme like that, because it's crazy, and it's kind of annoying having to do all that stuff, and as my son being loud, and having a real rough time with this damn bag right now. I mean, it's a poly bag, so it's good, but it's a pain in the ass to open with one hand, especially. So I'm gonna have to get something else going with this. But yeah, Supreme drop was nuts, crazy, pain in the ass as usual. If you're not botting with Supreme, you probably are going to strike a nice L. So be prepared for that. And yeah, that being said, I think I've got this pretty much opened up. Let me do this and get back. All right, so here they are. Here's a large gray, large orange. 2 stickers, Icy Rabbit, as you can see. I don't think I got these from last time. No, I didn't. I got the original OG one, and then I got the Purple Rain one. So these are the 2 that I didn't have. So that's dope. I think these are from the first drop, if I remember correctly. If anybody is up on it, let me know down below, but I'm pretty sure. So I got 2 of those, which is dope. Here's the gray one. And here's the orange one. The orange one is the one I was really gunning for, but I think the gray one sold out first. I'm not sure, but they were pretty close in sellout times. Like, I think this one, I'm pretty sure this one sold out first. But I grabbed them really quick, but they did sell out fast, man. They sold out in like, I think it was like, well, to me, as fast as, like, is relative, depending on, compared to Supreme, obviously, it's not as fast, but it still was quick for what it is. So, it's got this graphic, it's like a spider web or something on the shoulder. Let me see if I can get, open it real quick, show you guys. Give me 1 second, let me open it and I'll show you guys. Alright, so here it is out of the bag. As you can see, it's got this trick-or-treat bag, pumpkin look, obviously. It's a bag, it's got some diamonds in there, and it's got that sparkly look, white with some blue hue tints in there. Dope overall. I think, in my opinion, this is super fire. You got the printed tag, printed in USA, tells you all the stuff, cotton, polyester, all that good stuff. This is what I'm really interested in, because this to me looks like it says SOS, but I'm not 100% sure if that's something that was meant to be, or if it just kind of came out that way. I'll ask on Instagram if that was the purpose of it, because it does look like SOS to me. I didn't really want to comment and say that that's what it says, and say without knowing. So I didn't know, but it looks like it. Let's see, that's pretty dope. So it's got diamonds in the web. Looks like candy corn or teeth or something like that, or carrots maybe. Interesting. Could be interpreted different ways, but definitely spider web, definitely some diamonds, and I don't know if that's supposed to say SOS or not, but it'd be dope if it did. So this is the orange one. This is the gray one. All the same graphics, obviously. And yeah, that's what it is, dressed up as a ghost. Let me know down below what you guys think of it. They're both large. If anybody wants one or the other, let me know. Hook you up for a decent price. They are sold out, so keep that in mind as well. We'll make offers. But yeah, man, let me know. Did you guys cop? Did you not cop? Were you feeling the graphic, or were you not feeling the graphic? Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of the video. And as always, man, it's been Paper Drew. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Not because I asked you, but because you like the content. And as always, man, y'all stay blessed.